Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your BOSE S1 Pro Plus with a cable. And I'm going to use mini jack 3.5 to mini jack 3.5 cable, but right here we have a normal jack, also we have a port for it, so you can use this one. Now your phone, if you connect it to the phone, should have this port also. So connect mini jack at this port, and right here near to the Bluetooth button we have also mini jack port. So connect the second cable right to this port, and after that you need to turn on your speaker, so press one time at the power button at the back side of the speaker, and now you can listen to music with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!